creating professional-looking custom valances is easier than you may think. Traceable Designer TraceShaper kits include reusable, precision fabric shaping forms so you can create custom-fitted window treatments throughout your home. The TraceShaper form is what makes it possible. Choose your fabric, trace the form, slide to size, then follow the trace line to watch the shape come to life. Built-in shaping, sizing, and hanging guidance means no sewing, pattern reading, or design experience needed. Signature Valance TraceShapers create crisp, continuous rod pocket balances in 4 designer styles: contour arched, crown straight, crest scalloped, and facet straight. Cornice Style TraceShapers create layered fabric panels for a structured designer cornice look without sewing, boards, or custom workroom construction. Lambrequin Style TraceShapers create framed window treatments with adjustable side panels and interchangeable center panel designs. Use window accent overlay TraceShapers to finish blinds, shades, headrails, or window frames with hardware-free Velcro placement. Step-by-step video support is included with every TraceShaper kit. TraceShaper is powered by TraceFit, a patented slide and trace system for creating custom window valances with confidence.